Welcome to Spiedel's Federal Tax Minute. I'm your host, Catherine Zidane. This week we're covering new Form 7217 for reporting property distributed by partnerships. Spiedel's 2024 Trust Webinar Series includes 8 in-depth webinars which will help you build your trust business, prepare trust returns, and earn 17 hours of CPE. Podcast listeners can get 10% off of the full package of 8 live or on-demand webinars using discount code TRUST10 at checkout. The discount is valid October 6th through October 18th. For details, go to spiedel.com and click Webinars. The IRS has issued a draft of new Form 7217, Partners Report of Property Distributed by a Partnership, along with draft instructions. Starting with the 2024 taxable year, Form 7217 is required to be filed by any partner who receives a distribution of property from a partnership in either a liquidating or non-liquidating distribution. The form is used to report the basis of the distributed property, including any basis adjustments to such property required by IRC Section 732, subsection A2 or B. This new reporting form follows on the heels of the IRS announcing that they will issue regulations targeting abusive partnership basis shifting transactions among related parties. These regulations will be issued under IRC Section 732, among others. Form 7217 is filed by the partner receiving a distribution of property from the partnership. The form is not filed by the partnership. Much of the information required to complete Form 7217 is provided to partners on Schedule K1 under pre-existing rules. However, the information provided on the partner's K1 is generally provided in supplemental K1 details. So even though Form 7217 is not filed by partnerships, partnerships will need to make sure that all necessary information is provided to their partners so that the partners can accurately file Form 7217. When a partnership makes a distribution of property to its partners in a non-liquidating distribution, then the partnership's adjusted basis in the property at the time of the distribution is transferred to the partner. The basis of the property to the partner cannot exceed the partner's adjusted outside basis for their partnership interest reduced by any money distributed in the same transaction. When a partnership makes a distribution of property to its partners in complete liquidation of a partner's interest, the partner's adjusted basis in the property at the time of the distribution is equal to the partner's outside basis in the partnership, minus any money distributed in the same transaction. Form 7217 is not required if the property distributed to a partner is only money or marketable securities treated as money, for payments received by the partner for services rendered to the partnership other than in the partner's capacity as a partner, or for transfers that are treated as disguised sales. Sign up for Spiedel's quarterly federal tax update webinar and you'll get reliable and pertinent updates on trending tax topics. Get details on this subscription webinar series and register for a full year of updates or just a single session at spiedel.com under webinars. That's all for this week. Join us next time for another episode of Spiedel's Federal Tax Minute.